What's up guys, welcome to another support video from iTeneri. In this video, I'll show you how to create a digital floor plan for your events website. Start by clicking floor plan at the top of your dashboard. Click add floor plan, then enter the name and choose the event to which it will be linked. For the next step, click choose file and navigate to the image file of your floor plan's design. Click open, click create, and you will automatically go to the build floor plan page. Click this button to add a new booth, then drag this booth to the desired location. To resize, simply click and drag its edges. By double-clicking on the booth, you will open a configurations dialog box where you can, among other things, change the name and reserve the booth. Potential exhibitors can then reserve available booths from your event's website. When you're through, do remember to click save.